YouTube? Today we are going to be unboxing the Canon EOS Rebel T3i. And so first let's take a tour around the product. Here it just shows you that it's the Canon EOS Rebel T3i. And it comes with the EFS 18-55 Si2 lens. And it records in full HD 1080p. And then on this side of the box shows you what's included. Here just shows you same thing as the top. Here just shows you your product information. And then on the back it shows you what it's compatible with. It's compatible with Windows XP and Vista and 7 and all that stuff. So let's get inside the box. So first we have software. We have the instruction manual on disc form, solutions disc, and this is all these discs are compatible with Mac OS 10 and Windows. Paper, more paper, booklets. Let's open them. So one is in Spanish and one is in English. This one is in English. This one's in Spanish. Good, it gives you options. This one, register for something. This one, instruction booklet. That's this side. And it fell. More instructions. Okay, now let's get rid of all that stuff and get to the main thing. Okay. So first off, we get a strap for the camera because you don't want to drop it. You get, looks like AV multi to composite video. So your standard yellow, white, and red to port on the camera. We get mini USB to USB, battery charger. We get the lens. This is 18-55mm, I forgot. Take that out later. Packing to the lens, and then you get your US power cord to your charger, and then we get the main thing, the camera itself, and that's it for the box. Put that to the side. Okay, we'll leave the camera for later. So here's the power cord. Power cord, US. Take that off. It's like 3 feet. Charger. See, and then you plug this in here. And then grab your battery. Take off the cover. And you plug it into charge. So I'll plug it in. And then as you can see, it's charging. Next is mini USB to USB. So this is so you can connect your camera to your computer without taking out the SD card. It's helpful. And this also plugs into the, I think it does. Well, this is AV multi to your TV. Doesn't include an HDMI cable. Next is lens. Lens is right there. And then the strap. Now let's take out the camera. And here is the camera itself. And so that is my unboxing of the Canon EOS Rebel T3i. I will have an overview video of this camera later on. So overall what we got is the camera itself, one lens, camera strap, AV multi to composite, mini USB, ton of instruction manuals and CDs, another manual, and then the power cable and the charger. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for the overview. Peace.